If you've engaged an accountant or bookkeeper to do your self-assessment for you and they are asking you for your login for your online HMRC account, please run a mile. Do not give them your login. Do not give anybody your online HMRC login. Because if they're legitimate, they should be using their agent account, which allows them to submit on your behalf using their own login details. So if somebody's asking you for your HMRC login, do not use them. Secondly, if you are claiming a refund, typically for CIS, and they are claiming it back to themselves, I would also run a mile. Now, do not get me wrong, there are probably still some people out there who are legit that do that. I don't understand why you would, but there may be people out there who reclaim it and pay it directly to the client, but I personally I would not trust somebody else with my money, especially if you're talking thousands of pounds. So yeah, that would be the criteria for me. Also, if they just do your self-assessment and there's no onboarding process like identity checks or anything like that, then also be wary. Some people do charge a lot less for self-assessments or even fees all year round, but there's usually a reason for that. So just make sure you're covered, because if anything goes wrong, if they overclaim expenses and you get a tax rebate or whatever, and it all sounds amazing at the time, but they've overclaimed an expenses and it's not been legitimate, it falls back on you because they've used your login. So just always be so careful as to who you're giving your details out to and who's doing your self-assessment for you. So they should be using an agent account, and they should be following an onboarding process as well that each practice should have. Yeah, if you need any help or if you're unsure, drop a wee comment or message the page. Thanks, bye.